So I get all the way up here and realize I wasn't recording the whole time because my GoPro battery's totally dead. Huge fail, but we're at the Shark Club. This place is packed! All right, you guys, bright light in my face, so I'm gonna squint. Made it up to bike night, was yapping into my camera, and realized when I got there that my GoPro was dead the whole time, and for the first time ever, I was in a rush and didn't bring my second battery, and so this is gonna be weird because it's not a moto vlog. But tonight was the last night of the bike night at the Shark Club put on by Boomer. He gave away a bike. The bike I like was up on the stage. Thank you, dude who won, for not picking the one I wanted. Ooh, bug in my ear, bug in my ear. So, there'll be some weird footage spliced together. Jeff and Nate and I went up to bike night, stayed through most of it, and had a killer time. Thanks, Boomer, for putting on such a good party. And I'll see you guys on the next one.